Hi Crafty Types, it's Valentine's Day collaboration time. I'm Tracy from Mini Scenes GB and Crafty YouTubers United. We're organising the collaboration as usual, and here's all the information you need coming up just on the screen here. It's all about a whole bunch of artists and crafters on YouTube getting together and doing a video on a theme. And as I said, this time it's Valentine's Day. So if you have a YouTube channel, or you're just starting one, or you've had one for years, it doesn't matter, and you want to join in, then all you need to do is make a video and send me a link. Dead easy. The guidelines are, as it says here. So the idea is that you promote the fact that it is part of a collaboration in some way, so that people are more inclined to go and find easily all the other videos and kind of binge watch through them. So that's the plan. So we provide lots of entertainment for people wanting to watch a whole load of craft videos, and also lots of views for you. The dates are, I need your video link between the 4th and the 8th of February. Go live is the 8th of February. That's Saturday, just before Valentine's Day. So set your video either as a premiere or scheduled, or just upload it on the 8th of February. It needs to go live by 9 p.m. GMT UK time. This way we will get the best out of this collaboration for everybody, because they'll all go live around the same time. People can have a crazy good binge watch, and if they're all set as premieres as well, which people tend to, so I can link them up earlier, then we kind of go on a premiere trawl where a lot of us jump from video to video to video, joining the chats, and it ends up really quite good fun, like a pub crawl, only with videos, if you see what I mean. So yes, I will create the playlist with this video. So the link will be in the video description for you for the playlist. So when you make your video and you send me the link for your video between the 4th and the 8th of February, then please pop that link in your video description too. I'll then add your video to that playlist, so it's nice and easy and people can find their way around it for you. Now, I mentioned setting your video as a premiere. If you do set it as a premiere, then I can link it beforehand. So that means that we can start building the playlist, and it's less for me to have a mad fit and do all on the 8th. So if you fancy setting it as a premiere, then that is awesome. If not, then just make sure you set it to go live as a normal schedule on the 8th. But if you could do me a favour, and I found this from last time, if you could let me know which you've done when you send me the link, that would be really helpful, because then I know whether I've, I don't have to keep going and looking and checking, is it live yet? Is it live yet? I can just have a little list with the time you've set it for against it, and then I can upload them as and when, if it's not scheduled as a premiere. So the idea of getting the videos to me between the 4th and the 8th is simply that if I get them coming through in dribs and drabs here and there beforehand, it gets really messy, and there's a danger that I'll just miss one of them. Whereas if they all come in, and I know I'm expecting them between the 4th and the 8th, then that's marvellous. I can just go through them in order, and it makes it a fairly straightforward job for the simple being that I am. There you go. I think that's probably all you need to know about the collaboration. Obviously, if you've got any questions, just shout up. You can contact me either via Discord, or easiest thing, I suppose, for many is just email me, and the email address is miniscenesgb@gmail.com. Also, if I'm not around, just grab one of the Crafty YouTubers United group on Discord, and they all know we're doing it together, so they all know the details. They can help you as well. And finally, if you'd like to join Crafty YouTubers United, it's free. It's just a support group for fellow crafters with YouTube channels or about to start YouTube channels. So give us a shout if you'd like to join that as well. There you go, covered a lot of ground there. Any questions, fire them to my email address, as I said, and I really look forward to seeing all your videos. Thanks everyone, I'll see you soon.